Python tutorial. My name is Srinivas. In this video, I am going to discuss about the Python program using lists. Program is to print common elements in two lists. To print common elements in two lists is the program. To print common elements in two lists. For example, one list equal to, assume that one list is the element is Python and C and CPP. This is a list, first list. In a second list, for example, B equal to the elements are, for example, data science, and okay. For example, Python. Okay, the elements are now it is a, for example, Django, and these are the values. Print the common elements. These are the common. Here the common element is Python is the first list, and the Python also present the second list. Now here the Python is a common element. Now second one, C is present in first list, but not in the second list. Now C is not a common element. And the third one, CPP is a common element in the A, but not in B, so it is not a common element. Now the common elements are only for only one element, that is only for Python. To print the common elements, these are the string values. For example, assume that for example X is a one element. X is a list 11, 22, 33, and 44 using numbers. And Y is another element. Y is another list. Elements are 33, 44, 55, and 66. These are the two lists. This is the first list X value and the second list Y value to find the common element. The common elements are 11 in first list. It is present or not in second list. Okay, if it is present, to add the elements in third list, that is equal to empty list. Third is a empty list. If the element is present in second list, the element is appended to third list. Otherwise not. For example, here for I in X. How to find the I value is, for example, first time I value is 11. 11 is present or not in X. Using which operator? In Python support the one special operator. The special operator if you find the given element is present or not using in operator. In is the operator, it is used to find the element, find the given element is present or not. If it is present, returns true. If the element is present in the element, returns true. Otherwise, returns false value. It is a common special operator, that is an in operator. X value. Now the value of if I in Y, dot append of I is added to that. I will explain later one by one each and every, no problem. The print of okay common elements. The common elements are okay colon comma dead. The common elements are stored in dead. The first element, these are the first list. The second list, these are the common elements. Now here we will explain one by one. This is your first list 11, 22, 33, clear guys, 44. So the first list clear. And the second list, this is list is X. The second list is Y. Y is 33, 44, 55, 66. So now the index numbers are, this is a 44, 0, 1, 2, 3, and here also stored the 0, 1, 2, 3. Now here this is like Z. Z is a empty list. Now it is a list. It is a empty. They divide into number of so and so parts. Okay, indexes. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so on. These are the elements. Now clear Z. First list, second list, and third list. X value for I in X. The values of X are 11, 22, 33, and 44. And the values of Y are 33, 44, 55, and 66. Using if statement, using for I value. Very first time the I value is 11. First time the I value is 11. Okay, guys, clear. First time the I value is 11. It takes the one by one value. I value first time it takes the I value is 11. I value is 11. If I in 11 in Y, this is the Y 33, 44, 56, and 55 and 66. If I in Y, it returns the value false. False. This function returns the value false. So this if statement returns the value false. So it is not executed. Okay. Again the control goes to back. Again next time I takes the second value. Now I value is 22. I value is 22. If 22 in y, 22 in y, in y, in y, in y, in y. No, 22 is not present in y. So it is not executed. Again the control goes to back. Next time it takes the I value is 33. Next time the 33 I value equal to 33. Now 33 in y. 33 in y, true. True, no. 33 in y, true. Now it returns the value equal to true. This condition returns true. Now immediately execute this statement. This statement will be executed. I value is appended to z. I value is 33. The 33 is I value is present. I value is 33. The 33 is presented in appended to z. Okay, clear. And next time go to back. Again the next time I value is 44. If 44 in y, this is a condition. 44 in y, 44 in y. This condition returns true. Okay, true. This condition is true. The I value is appended to z. I value is 44. This value is appended to z. Okay. Again, they go to back. No more items in X. All items are complete. All the elements are completed. After completing, the control will jump to the next statement of the for loop. After completing the for loop, the control goes to the next statement. Here, the next statement is the common elements are z. Z value 33 and 44. Here, the common elements are 33 and 44. Okay, guys, up here, clear all of you. Now run the module, run the program, run module. Press run module button. So first list, second list, empty list. The common elements are z value. The z values are okay. Run this module. Okay. The common elements are 33 and 44. If you want to print the first list also, want to print off first list equal to comma x. Okay. Print off second list equal to comma y. Now because here we are using single quotes or double quotes, no problem. After print statement, this is the printing. You can use either single quotes. Here you are using single quote. Here you are using double quotes. Or if you want to use the single quote also, no problem. Any single quote or double quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes, no problem. Now run this one. Okay, here. The end of the single quotes are completed. Now run this one. First list is so and so. Second list is so and so. The list is third list is common list are the common elements are 33 and 44. Okay, guys, up here clear all of you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe YR Digital YouTube channel for watch more videos. Thank you very much.